Good evening, very late evening, night time here, staying at the Courtyard Marriott Hotel in Glasgow Airport. I'm here for the nearby Glasgow TV and Comic Con, and I've done this tour before. I have stayed at this hotel before, I've done a video before, but it's just an update. So this is going to be a quick tour of the room, and I'll put some clips in of the hotel outside and inside, the lobby area and whatnot. So let's get stuck into it. Let's go for a little tour of the room and some of the hotel. And as always, starting at the main door, the front door, this little pass here is, well, this wristband is my pass for the weekend. I went to the Comic Con today and back tomorrow if you want to check out those videos, but yeah, make sure you put your room key in this slot here to get the power on to the room, which gives you the lights and the power. So let's do a quick, well, general overview just now, nothing quick, just a general overview right now. So first impression, of course, it's very, very nice, clean. And yeah, I like it. I do like the Courtyard, the Marriott hotels. I've stayed one in Glasgow city centre as well, next to the SEC. But a nice big bed, chair, separate desk over there with the coffee machine. There is pods for the coffee machine as well. Got the lamp in the corner. Over here you've got charging point, includes a USB. I've got my multi-charger there since I do a lot of travelling, but there, USB port, and that is European, I think. Light switches, you've got the bedside reading lights, lamps just there with a little switch to the side. Nice light above the headboard there. Some complimentary water, so some sparkling and spring still water, sparkling and still. You get the ice bucket there, 2 glasses. We'll have a look at the view in a moment. It's not much of a view, it is just the car park to be fair, but there's the pods I'd mentioned with all the different other options, coffees, teas, so get Twinings, Tetley, got some milk pods there, some Biscoff biscuits, 2 real mugs, and you've got 2 takeaway cups there with the kettle as well. And here is your wardrobe space, your hanging space, with your ironing board, iron, hair dryer, some hangers. You do have a dry cleaning service as well. I don't know if we can get some of the prices there. Up here you have some robes, which is nice, nice touch with the robes. And it's very fancy, look at these. Some Courtyard Marriott slippers, it's very nice. All wrapped up. Nice. Not that I'll be using them, to be fair, but that's a nice option to have. Down here you have a safe, pretty standard size safe, and then the fridge as well. So I can't really open the fridge fully because it's hitting against the door. I of course have some iron brew in there, some water, but Not a very big fridge, very small fridge with a lock on it as well, a key lock. Yeah, don't know if I've seen that before. I have my bags here, some goodies for later, crisps and stuff, snacks, but they're a big drawer for more space. Bin, shoes, bin, shoes, bin. And a nice size TV. Good size TV with a double socket there. And a USB. And over that side as well you do have another USB port charging point there, which is good. Let's have a look at the view. Like I said, I may have to turn the lights off for it, or if I can do this, it might work. There we go. We get the kind of gist of it. That there, just in front of the bus, is the main entrance into the hotel. And it is a short walk to Glasgow Airport. So very close to the airport. So that's the general overview of the room. Now there is a menu here because they do have room service, so that's the drink side. Let's have a look at the food side. So food wise, now you can get room service, but just bear in mind it's a hefty £7 tray charge to get delivered to your room. So here's some prices. Of course I'm going to home in on the pizzas, because if you've watched my videos, I've probably mentioned a few times that I like pizza. Some of it's expensive, I don't know the size of the pizzas, but nearly £18 there for a pizza. So £16, £18 for a pizza. But you can scan or pause or screenshot the video if you wish to look at the prices in more detail, and then same again for the drinks as well if you want to screenshot or pause. But I will be taking photos and putting them on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, if that helps. So let's go and have a look at the shower room. So no bath in this room. Nice tiled floor, nice clean and tidy, modern. Straight away here you have hand wash, body lotion and towels. I have used the sink to wash my hands in case you're wondering if it's been left like that, but it hasn't. It was clean. Nice big mirror. Shaving charging points. And a lovely big shower. Nice big shower. This is nice. There. Complimentary shampoo, conditioners, shower gel from a company called Nervay Botanicals. So yeah, looks really nice. I like the style, I like the layout of the room, because I say that, there we go, missed that little hanging point there, and this mirror as you walk in at the door as well. What I mean by that is you have a separate area to sit, relax, chill, work over there, and then you can relax on the bed, sleep and chill before going on your flight, coming home from your flight, or doing what I'm doing and doing videos nearby at a local Comic Con or anything, visiting nearby Glasgow as well. It's not far really for that as well, so yeah, missed that. Is that a painting or is that a print there? It looks like the armadillo from the next to the Glasgow SEC. That's what it looks like. I don't know if it's that or not, but yeah, it's a print on the canvas. I like the lights as well on the bedside. Well, they're like bedside lights, but on the headboard. I like that. And you can control your heating there. What about the TV? I hear you all asking. Let's see how we got on. I never have much luck with TVs, getting them on first time. So let's mute. I like that. Is that over Glasgow? I like that touch. Right, so guide. Let's go to the guide. Guides. What do we do here? Hotel information. I'm trying to go right. See, this is what I mean. I'm trying to move across and it's not moving across. Let's hit the guide button again. Something's happening. Looks like it takes a bit of time to come through. So, oh, your kind of generic digital TV, if you want to still call it that. Do we still call it that? Yeah. Let's go with that. So, yes, nothing's coming up what's on TV just now, but we'll see if that's working or not later on. Who knows, but I'll be honest, it is getting very, very late and I will probably just fall asleep. And tomorrow is another day at the Comic Con, but hopefully you've enjoyed this video, just to give you a little bit of a insight of this hotel. It is nearby. They do have a card as well, which I think is very, very good, and I'll show you that just now. I can never show you that there because you've got a free pen and a pad there as well, but this card here, get a peek over, this card here shows you where the hotel is in relation to parking, airport, everything, so that's pretty cool. You want to screenshot that, or again I'll be taking a picture of that and posting that on my social media. But on that note, I am going to end the video there. Thank you all for watching, thank you all for your support. Hit the like, share, comment, and hopefully stick around and subscribe and join the community here. I've got a whole host of videos on my channel from hotels, Comic Cons, Orlando, Florida, Disneyland Paris, Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, theme parks, adventures, all those things. So hopefully go check them out. But I hope you're all well, and until the next video, I'll see you then. Bye bye.